Hello, as you know, we have been working on the 100 days of school. This is the same assignment that you did yesterday, so I'm not going to talk about it too much, but I am going to remind you about a couple of things. So we are working on today, counting from 30 to 50, and then when you guys are here for your in-class work, we will do 100, 1 to 100. We'll go all the way through. So you don't have to worry about this up here. You're just going to say the number. You don't have to trace it. And then in this section right here, you're going to fill out your number. So you'll have to hit the space bar a couple of times to make sure it's in the right box. But you're going to fill in your numbers like that, okay? And then you're going to come down here to these number lines. You're going to click on your text boxes. They'll be down here. And then you're going to fill in the missing numbers. This down here, just a reminder, you are telling me which number is bigger. You do not have to do anything down here. And that is the same for the 40s and the 50s, okay? So we're counting from 30 to 50 today. And that is it for your math.